name is Nicole Hyatt. I'm doing a mini teaching session today, and the objective of that today is for the audience to be able to explain the difference in pathophysiology between chronic bronchitis and emphysema. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, or COPD, is an umbrella term for a group of disorders that are characterized by a chronic and recurrent obstruction of airflow in the pulmonary airways. Now, 85 to 90% of folks that are diagnosed with this disorder are smokers, although some have been exposed to environmental toxins. Now, this umbrella term is broken down into two disorders. The first is chronic bronchitis, and the pathophysiology of that is a hypersecretion of mucus due to an increase in the globlet cells, as well as a damage to the cilia and fibrosis of the bronchiolar wall. Now, here is an illustration of chronic bronchitis, where you can see here that the lumen is narrowed, that there's redness around there, that there's an excess of mucus here, and down here you can see the damage to the cilia. In order to be diagnosed with chronic bronchitis, one has to have had a chronic cough, chronic productive cough, for 3 months for 2 consecutive years. Next, we have emphysema, which is the other disease in the umbrella term. Now, emphysema is a loss of lung elasticity and abnormal enlargement of the air spaces distal to the proximal terminal bronchioles. So it's essentially an enlargement and destruction of the alveoli, which are the gas exchange parts of the lung. So you can see here, the alveoli almost look like a group of grapes. So the normal alveoli, which is right here, sorry, wrong one. The normal alveoli, which is here, looks like a group of grapes. And then over here, you can see that they've been stretched out. And so it impedes gas exchange. So in order to be diagnosed with emphysema, it's imaging and pulmonary function tests that will show a permanent enlargement and destruction of the distal airways. I also want to point out in this picture is that down here, out in the branches of the lungs, is where you'll see emphysema in the alveoli, whereas the larger airways here is the damaging of the bronchioles in the chronic bronchitis. So, finally, I have a slide that will show you. A lot of times people like to call it the blue bloater versus the pink puffer. So the blue bloater, you can see here, he's overweight, he's cyanotic, he has an elevated hemoglobin, oftentimes peripheral edema, whereas the pink puffer, as we like to say, is oftentimes thin and has clear sounding lungs versus rhonchi. Basically that's from the hyperinflation of the alveoli. Anybody have any questions?